Morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I'm Tika. Welcome back to this weather forecast. We are going to have to deal with some more thunderstorms. We are on storm mode for parts of Minnesota, also western Iowa, or northern Iowa, and parts of Wisconsin, also eastern Oklahoma, the four states region. So, yeah, we're going to have to deal with that. Let's get over to radar. We are on storm mode. We could potentially be going live if these storms continue to grow. If we mainly go on, that will probably be if we get a 3 or a tornado warning with a confirmed tag. But from the area of Lavana, Bemidji, all the way down to parts of Stearns County, Todd County, Low Prairie, you're dealing with some heavy thunderstorms. Let's get over to the SPC graphic. Again, these are the two areas we're going to have to watch. This is a level 2 out of 5, level 2, and then another level 2 for parts of like Springfield, Jefferson City, the four states region. We're going to have to deal with that, but don't be alarmed. We have a 1 out of 5, which is surrounding that, and that's a pretty large 1 out of 5, and looking at this, it could become a line threat. So one line could start here. We already got a line starting to form again in parts of Todd County. Get back to radar for this. This could be the storm that could move southeast and produce damaging winds, large hail. Again, damaging winds are going to be a threat. Hail is going to be a threat for the Duluth area. Tornadoes are going to be a threat, but it's going to be, again, for the Duluth area. So we're going to have to worry about that. Day 2, risk moves east. Places like Memphis, Little Rock, Jackson, Bowling Green, Kentucky, Nashville, Evansville, Louisville, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, Fort Wayne, Detroit, East, also Grand Rapids, also Toledo. So those are the areas that could get hit. Day 3, the storm decides to move east towards parts of New York. So we have a 1 for parts of Buffalo, Rochester, Benjamin, Scampton, western New York, Philly, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., west of Richmond. Also, Little Rock, east of Wichita, east of Oklahoma, Norman, north of Shreveport. So we have 2 individual 1 out of 5s. Day 4 to 8 is looking dry. Let's get over to one of the models. This is going to be a closer look at this. Really, we're going to have some pop-up showers and thunderstorms that are going to start. Also, I think this may be a batch. I'm not surprised these produce the isolated tornado threat. These could produce the isolated tornadoes. Then the line decides to spread out and look, and I think y'all guys can see like those are something called nope noodles. That means the possible rotation that could be on it. So if we do get some tornadic storms, we are going to get on. But for Minneapolis, it's going to start at around 8 o'clock, then decide to move east. Let's get over to another model. And then like areas like Oklahoma City, Norman, the second line that starts to start up. So areas like Jefferson City is going to get hit. So we are going to have to worry about some of these thunderstorms. Then again, parts of Chicagoland, Chicago areas west of Indianapolis could get hit. So really, this is the line that could hit. And I think we're already at our last band. No, we are at 18. But really, Indianapolis, you're just gonna get some heavy rain, possible rain, mainly just some thunderstorms, heavy thunderstorms at times. Then you're going to be done with the severe weather. Then another line could start just to the west of Indianapolis if it continues. Then it's going to move out. I want to check the precip that this storm could do. Looking at these models, for eastern Indiana could get rain rates up to 5 inches potentially. Look at the 12-hour model. So 12-hour model is suggesting that we could have areas east of Indianapolis to get 5 inches of rain within 12 hours. Let's get over to this model so we can check how much rain could fall. So areas north of Minneapolis could get areas of 4 inches potentially, so that's going to lead to some flooding. So really, it's gonna come into 2 waves. Round 1 is going to move through, then round 2. So thank you so much for watching this weather forecast. Have a fantastic day.